fun and easy way to teach your toddler to write.
Let's do the exercise first. Exercise. Oh, shake the hands up. Shake it up. And forward. And side. Side. You shake it properly. Oh, don't need to cooperate there. There you cooperate, There. Sit down yung feet. Sit straight. Open your eyes wide. Get the pen. Pencil. You get your pencil. Oh, that's yours. Oh, there. Shake. Shake in the upper. Shake it in the side. And you do the grip exercise. Ching, 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 ching. Oh, write in the air now. How do you write the letter D? Uppercase. Hold it in the pencil properly. Then, very good. You hold it properly. Again, hold it properly, Oh, right in the air. The top. Oh, properly. Oh. Okay. Oh, how to write down? How to write down the letter there? Oh, you hold down the properly, the pencil. Oh, you flip down. You teach down how to write it. You hold it properly, and then how to write in the air, the uppercase and uppercase. Hold it properly also, even you're writing in the air there, like that. Okay. Oh, uppercase. Going a line, going down. Oh, stop there na. How many stop, And do the curve. Back on the top. Back on the top and curve. Oh, next. The lowercase. How do you do the lowercase? A line. How do you write down? The lowercase. A line and curve. Where's the curve niya? To the left or to the right? The left. The lowercase eh. To the left. To the left. Layla. Sorry naman yung lang sa live. Stop na rin. Stop. Oh, one lang. Okay. Good job. Oh. Okay. Oh, you do the right in the air. Right in the air. Not like that. Stop it. Stop. Oh, how many stop? Oh, there. Right in the air. No, pencil. Here, hold your pencil. Right in the air. Not that one. Do it properly. And curve. How do you do the curve? Curve. Oh, that's too big. Oh, how about the lowercase? No. Oh, dali na. How do you write down the... Oh, write in the air first. Hold it properly. Hold it properly. Down. Down. Going down. Oh, stop na. Dali. Oh, stop na. Separate. How you write it first in the air? The uppercase. Downward. And back on the top. And do the curve. Baliktad. The curve there. How about the lowercase? The lowercase. Turn for the lowercase. Back on the top. Downward. And do the curve. Lowercase. And do the curve the lowercase. There. First the slant. You just trace it. Yan. On the top. And going down. Good job. And stop. Back on the top. Yes, it's the red ants. Yes. Next, the other slant first, and the other slant again.
We want to go in the with the
Okay, sip your mouth na ha. Sip your mouth na. There mo na. That other, ayan. And good job. Stop na. Not like that. Not like that. No need to put it backward. No. You listen Oh, then in there. There. Yan. And there. Oh, very good. Again nga. This one. Slant first. First the first slant. Then this is how you do it, oh. Let go on the top. Slant first, the slanting. On the top and going down. Then na. On the top. Then, oh, you're not listening na naman, ah. Oh, sige, that one. And then, next, on the top. Oh, stop. On the top. There. You're not listening. Dali, hawakan mo naman. There, and down. Doon, slant again. Yan.
They're
Good.
moving faster.
Yan. Very good. Then, stop. Stop na. And then, the cross. The cross section. The cross part. Is too close. Dali na. You finish it na. Dali na. You finish it.
Where is this? A?
Yes, oh, dali na. Yung the cross na. Dali na. And then you do it on your own, ha? Like that! Nasa ba yung cross? There. Yan. Oh, there. Oh, good job. Oh. Slant muna, ha? The first slant. You concentrate there. You concentrate there. Dali na. Very good boy yan. Oh, dali na. Then we will write it without the tracing. Dali na. You want without the tracing, no? Very good yan. Oh, first slant, ha? That's why this is the first slant. Oh, yan. That's the first slant. Very good. Oh. Straight. Do not stop. Straight pa. And stop. Oh, back on top. And do the next slant. No, not in the air. There. Back on the top. Very good boy yan. And slant again. Slant. And stop.
Clap your hands.
Oh, you're not yet finished. How can I clap it? Yes, later. I will clap if you all done. 2 pa, oh. Dali na. And then the cross section. Dali na. And the slant, and then the cross section. Open your eyes, oh. Then you shake your hands muna. Shake it. Oh, there. High five. There. Oh. On your marks. Set. Go. Hold the pencil again. Then we will do writing without ano. Ayun na. There. Yung cross niya pa there. You did not finish the cross. Nice na, ah. Guys, again pala. Para hindi ka na nag-sleeping. Shake the hands. Oh, shake it to the front. Shake it to the front. Together. Sit straight. Open your eyes wide. Your ears wide. Shape your
Roll
mouth.
the pencil away.
No. And then, right again. Oh, you forgot the cross section there. Oh, there. Dali na. You do the cross. There. The cross part. Dali na. There in the middle. There. Dali na. The line in the middle. There, the line in the middle.
Put that your own one.
The
The other one.
this.
The other one
Dali
here.
na. We will sleep
The
na.
other one here. The other one. Other one. Where's the other one?
I don't know. Where did you put it? Stop na there. I will not write naman. Can we do it now? There.
Where did you put it back? I don't get it.
And the cross section. There. Not like that. Dali na. Oh, dali na. Very good boy. Yan. Very good boy.
Kalbo.
Oh, dali na. Mais na. Move ka. Apong mo na yung hands mo.
What was that again?
No.
What was that?
Yes. Oh, dali na. You forgot it. Yes, I will erase it. You forgot the cross section, no? Wala pa. Oh, forgot it. There. Good job. Oh, next.
Into 60.
Yes, there. Oh. Right again. Oh, from the top.
Hands.
Shake your hands. Oh, shake your hands. Oh. And the hand grip exercise. You do the hand grip. How to do the hand grip exercise? Hand grip. There, you hold the pencil. There. Dali na, there. Oh. Very good. Oh. And position. Now do the position daw. And position. Position. Oh. Umayos na. Stand. Sit straight. Open your eyes wide. Your ears wider. Zip your mouth. And do the position. There. Position natin. 2 na lang. Oh! Only 2 are left! And then we're going to sleep now. Then, it's getting morning now. What time is it? 11 na. Oh no, sige, you hear the, the cell phone is alarming na. It's getting daytime na. Slant first, the first slant, ha? Where's the first slant, ha? Okay. Okay.
I want to destroy all my things.
It's not.
That's why
Stop saying it. Stop
She
na.
removed the ball. And she want to broke it.
No, it's not. Dali na on the top.
Shall you remove it?
You know, it's just because you scattered your toys. Oh, dali. Back on the top, the slanted part. Di ba zip your mouth na? Why you keep on talking? Yes. Di ba zip your mouth na tayo? Oh! Broken.
And then,
Get it. L. Yan. Good job. Oh, next, you do it properly, ha? The first slant first, ha? Okay? Where's the first slant first?
shake the house.
Oh, shake the hands! Hold the pen! And shake the pencil.
Position.
Okay. Oh, not like that. Oh, there na. Last now? Oh, no! Oh, no! You do it already! Oh, the bit! Oh, no! Naga 2 letters na rin. Very good. Oh, dahil na. Oh, dali na. Last na. You're sleepy now. Oh! Oh! Stop na yun. Oh, mouth mo. It's getting morning na, dear. If you hear the cellphone, alarming, ha? Oh, there. Let's go. Oh, dali na. No more talking. Oh, you write it na. You finish this. Oh, puro islant naman yung ginawa mo, dear. Oh, that's the second islant, eh. We will erase it. You do it again, dear. Come on. Ito pa yung islant dito. Yung middle niya wala, oh. Puro islant lang, dear. Ito. Islant lang. Ayun na. Up the hands. Up the hands. Oh, sit straight. Open your eyes wide. Your ears wider. Zip your mouth na. And hold the pencil. Oh, very good. Oh, yung slant yun. Dito na lang. Yung dito.
Oh, that's zip your mouth.
Yes.
Hold the pencil.
Dali na. Oh, ito na lang. And then we'll take some photo. You wanted photo? Oh, let's take some photo. Dali na. There.
Hold on the gawan ko.
Yes. Oh. Oh, slant
Ano
first.
to?
Date yan. Yes. Oh, sige. Ilang minuto na lang. 1 minute na lang. It's morning na, dear. Oh, it's first slant. First slant muna. Oh, on the top. Oh, the first slant, ha? First slant. First slant. You're not concentrating, dear. First slant. Yeah. Oh. Good job. Oh, next, back on the top. Back on the top. The next slant. The cross, yung cross na yun, the middle, yan. There. All done. All done. You're happy. Hey, you can clap your hands. Oh, dali na. Write down. How do you write the lowercase letter D? Uppercase first, align. And back on the top. Back on the top. Oh, hindi, align mo na, align. And then, Oh, very good. And lowercase. How about the lowercase? So do the lowercase. Oh. And then, it's too long. Oh. Dito mo, in the side mo. Again. Dito, in the side, dito. More. Ayun na, lowercase, letter D. Align. Yes. Align. Very good. And do the curve. Oh. Baliktaran yung curve nila, ha? Where's the curve of the letter D? The lowercase. To the left or to the right? Oh. Where? Oh,
Lines there.
okay. Oh, okay. Do the curve.
The owl.
Okay. Oh, dali na. You write it na. The curve for the lowercase. Oh, dali na. Write na. Okay. Write it. Lowercase, letter D, a line, and a curve. Dali na. Do a curve.
Right.
Oh,
Right.
and a curve. Uppercase. Okay, uppercase again. Good job. Oh, next is the lowercase. How to do the
Ay,
lowercase?
memory na yan. Wala na.
The lowercase na. No more memory na tayo dear. Lowercase.
Ito sa iPhone.
Lowercase not the uppercase. Lowercase dear. It's uppercase na naman dear eh. Ano to?
Lowercase.
But how about the lowercase dear na? Case. It's a lowercase not the uppercase Line. Then you curve in the other side yung curve niya. Lowercase there. A letter.
It's so small.
It's so small pala eh. Put it a little bit bigger.
Baby.
Yes, a
Let's
little bit bigger.
the baby one.
Oh. Yan, stop. Oh. And then, curve. Good job! Wow! How do you feel you did it? Good job. You want some more? You want to write some more?
I'm going to XX.
XX naman, next letter.
This one,
Oh! We finished na the letter D. This is the finish. Darren, who write this? Mami yan. Oh, this. See that? Oh, this.
Ay!
It's Darren's handwriting.
Sa polar to, no? Ay, sa polar to. Sa polar, daddy to. Sa polar.